Bianca Kinya. Mimi niko na 14 na niko nasomea PCM Mwimbi boarding. I'm so happy that the Lord has granted me this day na nafurahia sana na nafurahia kusema walimu wangu ndio wamenifikisha hapa na pia my parents na Mungu, and my vision is to be a lawyer and an accountant, and nitaenda nafurahi kwa na 14 narudia tena na nafurahi kwa nitaenda na wish kwenda Kenya High.
Beta wa Beatrice Karoiro Kiunga, aspirant Nyaki West. Angwire 20 narua ikwithirwa mwana wa Bianca Kinya na kurukite kigerio ya KCPE ethirwe na 410 marks. So angwire tuwe mono no ntuinkumenya akwambiria mwambirio jo mwega na Kinya kigerio gya form 4 no uaga kuruka ou na twithirwe tugwiritu na tukenete ou kingi ankwira mwathani bwega sana no ntuno tumbithitie tukinyara tukinyite na respectete agwata max 450. So kijeire onera inkugwirwa mono Bianca therwe mwana mwathiku Kinya indiragwiragwa mono no nturira ndireta skuru uti muntu utirambije ku ikwithirwa Bianca arari mwana wina heshima leawe.
Number 1 Kenya Magata Bruce ameniacha na 18 marks only, so that is not a problem, it's a challenge, and I know I'll push forward, and I know in KCSE I'll be better.
Kimarita mbitawa Natasha Ntinyari, and I'm so happy for this day that God has granted me. Amenitoa mbali and I'm so grateful for that. Nilipata for 13 and I'm so happy cause nimeacha Magata ameniacha na 15 marks, so I'm grateful, and I want to go to Kenya High, and future I want to become a doctor, and I want to thank my parent support iraba mpete arimo, my friends na ngwete Kenya in the next level pokethora bwenani na will move forward and KCSE will be much more better.